Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to do steel drafting of a simply supported beam. So let's start with this tutorial. Now here the details has been given. According to these details, here there is a figure given here. Now as per this figure there are two columns C1 and C2 and a beam is resting on these two columns. The size of the columns are 230 by 400 mm. Size of the beam is 230 by 500 mm and the length of the beam is 3000 from the inner face of this column. Next is the steel details. The steel details are: top bars are 3 numbers of 12 mm dia, bottom 3 numbers of 16 mm dia, extra bars are 3 numbers of 12 mm dia, and stirrups are 8 mm at 120 center to center. Now let's draft the steel details. For that we'll take offset command and we'll give offset at a distance of suppose 1500. Now the depth of the beam is 500, so we'll take offset of 500. We'll give offset of this line, so enter. Now take construction line XL, vertical line V. Now draw a line here at this point, and mark these columns, so enter. We'll trim these extra lines. Now give a break line here. And here. Trim these lines also. We'll trim these lines coming in this column, so enter. Now next we'll provide the top and bottom bars. Now for providing the reinforcement, we'll have to give a clear cover at top and bottom. Now the clear cover will take 30 mm, so we'll give offset of 30 and from here and from here, so enter. Now extend these lines. Now next we'll have to give L here, so we'll take again offset of 30 from here and here, and we'll take break a line command and cut this also from here. We'll trim the extra lines. Say enter. Now next we'll fillet this. We'll take fillet command. We'll take a radius of 50 and fillet these corners. We'll take multiple and fillet all these corners. Now next there are extra bars of 3 numbers of 12 mm dia. It will be provided at top, so here we'll give offset, we'll give 30. We'll give offset to this also. Now here we'll do fillet of 50 mm. Now these extra bars will be provided at top of this column. So we'll take distance or length of these extra bars as 800 from this face of the column and 800 from this face of the column. So we'll give offset of 800. We'll give offset to this and offset to this one. Say enter. Now here we'll extend these lines and trim this extra line and delete this line. Now these are our extra bars. Now in the beam, whenever there are two layers of bar provided or two types of bar provided or extra bars are provided, you'll have to provide pins in these bars in the middle of these two bars so that it doesn't rest on each other. So here we'll take circle command. We'll take 2-point circle and here we'll provide a pin. Again we'll copy this. We'll copy this here. So enter. Now this is our pins. We'll hatch this with solid edge. Now next we'll have to show the stirrups. For that we'll take line command and we'll show the stirrups here. Now the stirrups are at the distance of 120 center to center. So we'll give a distance of 120, enter, and give offset to this stirrups. Again we'll copy this at this side and say enter. Now this is the steel details of a beam, simply supported beam. Now we'll show the details or we'll give the naming here. For that we'll take leader, show leader here. We'll take multi-line text. Now here we'll copy this or we'll type this. This is top bars are 3 numbers of 12 mm dia. So here this is 3 numbers of 12 mm dia bars. Dia will take percentage %C. We'll increase the text height. We'll do 70. Again take leader, show this extra bars, copy this. Now the extra bars are 3 numbers of 12 mm dia. So we'll keep it same. We'll show the bottom. Copy this text. Bottom reinforcement is 3 numbers of 16 mm dia. So here we'll change to 16 mm. Now the stirrups will show along this length So we'll take linear dimension here. And we'll rename this. We'll type here 8 mm at 120 center to center stirrups. So our stirrups will be along this length. Now we'll copy this. Beam size. So we are done with the steel drafting of a simply supported beam. So hope you all have understood how to provide the steel details. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.